Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can withdraw money from AscendEX. So let's get straight into it. First, you need to be logged in into your account. Now on the right top side right here, you will see some wallet. So go ahead and hover over and you will see wallet. Click on the wallet. So now we were redirected right over here. And as you can see, we have in spot account $12. Now what we can do is on the right side right here, we see deposit, withdraw, transfer, view. So today we want to withdraw, so we will click on withdraw. Right here, now you will need to select your token. So for example, this one right here. And now you will need to be really careful because you need to put the correct address into right here. Amount, we can set it all. Uh, Also, this is on-chain withdrawal, so be really careful with this address. Check double time that you are correct, because otherwise you can lose everything. Then we have internal transfer also. Here you will type in AscendEX UID and amount. After you check everything, then just confirm and your assets will be withdrawn. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.